Yo, what else do I want to tell you guys? Let me talk to you about my mom for like just a minute. My mom, right? She's really funny. It's just my, it's like my sister, my mother, and I, and she always wanted us to like be the best. So what I chose to do was be a comedian. Right? We don't get paid. I'm the best. You're like, look at her on the street. No, seriously. But no, she wanted us to like, she wanted us to like be the best, right? But like everything had to like be in a lesson. Everything she taught us, no matter what it was, like it always had to like be in a lesson. And she would always like tell us, you girls need to keep your face clean. You girls need to keep your face clean, right? And my mother was one of those mothers like, y'all mothers lick their hands and wipe your face.
Oh my gosh.
I don't mind her like cleaning me, but like her breath stank. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Like her breath stank. Like real bad. You know, not like just a regular breath, like you're like, oh, okay, cool, I'll hit it, you know, but it was like real bad. You know, like my sister got acne from that stuff, for real. My sister got really bad acne from that for years, right? And so I was always slick, right? I was always slick because she would lick my sister's face, and then like if I knew a lesson, right, I wouldn't get my face licked. And I would see my sister, and I see it, and I was like, oh my God, you better learn a lesson every single time. Like look at my, I got beat a lot in between my lessons, but I did learn lessons. Right, so this one time, man, my mother, she was licking my sister's face, and she was cleaning it, and she was like, see, y'all never stay clean, never stay clean. Then she turned to me, and she was like, and did you learn something before I get you? And I was like, yeah, I did, I learned something. She was like, well, what did you learn? I learned I'm going to brush and floss after each meal from here on in. That's exactly what I learned. And I also learned that she's got a good right hook because she punched a tooth out. Also, I learned two things that day from my mom. Pretty tough. She's a tough cookie, I tell ya. She's a tough cookie.